What's up, you guys? So I had to take off for a little bit here. Went to the homie's house, just kind of kick it a little bit, and I got a package from the PO box, which you guys just saw. I just opened. Big shout out to Prelude2G on IG, on Instagram. Yeah, Prelude2G on Instagram. Thank you for the necklace. I didn't lose my Buddha. He sent me some replacements. My Buddha, I've always had a Buddha on here, but I didn't lose it. I actually broke it, and then it just kind of disintegrated. When I broke it, I guess it just fell apart and just lost, and all I had on here left was the frame, and I completely took it off. But I've been meaning to get another one. Thank you for that. Definitely gonna make use of the smaller ones. It's kind of similar to what I had before. The bigger ones, it's probably gonna be like sticking out of my shirt, and knowing me, it's gonna get caught on something. I'm gonna break it, but I'm definitely gonna try to use the smaller one. So you guys saw, we put the clutch and flywheel on the B16 and slapped the motor back into the car to kind of get it out of the garage. But I did a new flywheel because the one that I had was brand new. The one on there was kind of old, and the clutch on it was freaking like completely toasted. It was gone. Like, there was nothing left on it. You can see it, there is nothing on there. So I put a competition 6-puck. It has probably about less than 1,000 miles on it. Threw it in the car, figured give it a better clutch while we're at it, and threw the transmission back on, bolted it up, threw it in the car, threw the mounts in the car. And the reason why, like I said, is to get it out of the car, but to put the engine in the car to show me what else am I going to be needing to buy for this car. It doesn't seem like much. I definitely need a rear T-bracket because this car came with a custom one. I am going to need axles because they were fitted for the old spindles, and they're not going to work for the new SI ones because these are 26 outer splines. Just small little knickknacks here and there. I was a little worried about you know, banging up the frame rail right there for the alternator, but the way the previous owner had this, they did it where they pulled the alternator all the way forward, bolted it down with the belt on, the belt super tight, but it clears the frame rail. So I'm gonna let that be, and just looking at a lot of the smaller knickknacks and stuff, traction bar, and throw that on the list to order for some of the stuff. Water pump time belt didn't show up in time, so I just kind of threw it in the car. It's not a big deal to do the water pump time belt with the engine in the car. I've done it plenty of times before, but this week I'm actually waiting for a lot of parts to show up so we can further make progress. I'm gonna right now I'm just trying to write down a list of what I can do in the meantime. But as far as this video go, guys, I'm keeping it super short, and at the end of the day, we're making a ton of progress, and progress is better than no progress. The engine is finally back in the car. I'm not sure if I'm going to pull it back out, but it's back in the car. I'm gonna cut the video short right here, guys. I'm gonna spend the next couple of days, maybe the next couple of days, cleaning the garage out, finding a lot of the stuff that I don't need, don't use, haven't seen, haven't touched in a long time, throw it away or sell it or whatever. But I want to start clearing out the garage of all of my crap. Like these 4 wheels right here, they gotta go. These 2 tires, they gotta go. A lot of this stuff is gonna have to go to storage because they're still useful stuff. They are still expensive stuff, but I want to spend some time in the garage, as well as stuff in the backyard, stuff that belonged to my dad. A lot of the stuff that you know, he's just been accumulating over the years. We've been here for 30 years, so there's a lot of things we got to clean up. A lot of the stuff on the side of the house, I'm not sure if I'm going to record it and share it with you guys, but we'll figure it out when we get to it. But as far as this video goes, we're going to end it right here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's progress update on the 88 HF CRX, and if you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for more shenanigans with this car here soon, I'm not sure what header I'm going to go with, but I want to go with something that looks good. Find out, hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.